Urugo Women's Opportunity Center. The Women's Opportunity Center at Kianzo, Rwanda, is a training center for empowering small community of women to learn farming skills both in the production of food, also in its marketing and in managing a business. On 2 hectares site above the fertile valley, the idea of vernacular Rianda village is used as an organizing principle, a series of human-scale pavilion clustered to create security and community for up to 300 women. It was initiated by Women for Women International. This mini village transforms urban agglomeration and subsistence farming within an architectural agenda to create economic opportunity, rebuild social infrastructure, and restore African heritage. The community center provides agricultural and craftsman skill for an economical development of the individual. The Women's Opportunity Community Center involves with many activities in distinguished spaces such as market, admin block, kitchen, classroom, farm, market segregated from rest of the center. It is done to provide privacy and also for easy access to customer from road to market. At the street side market, women sell food, textile, baskets and other products produced on site as well as potable water harvested from the center's rooftops. Administrative blocks. Entrance to other classrooms, farms, and other block is through admin block. Staff lounge and guest lounge are kept near entrance and administrative block. Official space are kept together. The kitchen is at a position that is easy accessible to everyone. It is close to classrooms. It is at a few distance from gathering space so that the people can eat and enjoy at gathering classrooms. It is a circular form radiated outward from intimate classrooms at the center of the site to a community space, farmers market and the civic realm beyond. The classrooms are cooled by green roofs and retained earth wall. The women learn to raise pig, cow, goat, and rabbits along with food storage and processing methods that can be used to run their own food cooperatives profitable. Inside the workshop room, students sit on the two levels of benches. Farms. The project also includes a demonstration farm that helps women produce and market their own goods. This commercial integrated farm initiative teaches women to produce income from the land to organic techniques. The center's circular structure are modeled after the historic King's Palace in the southern Rwanda, whose oven redwelling were part of an indigenous tradition that the religion had all but lost. The design draws on the delicacy of the traditional Rwanda construction method with rounded perforated brick walls to allow for a passive cooling and solar shading while maintaining a sense of privacy. The circular classroom facilitates more interaction and intimacy. Focusing on the construction, the structure that supports the deck is all metal, formed of beams triangulated to give the robustness. On this structure, a colligated sheet is placed. The brick walls play the role of front, dividing the interior space from the outside. Bricks are much more resistant than the building itself also acted as a training center for construction skills while it was being built, providing lessons in brick making and other techniques. The bricks are made on the site by the community people in crafting 450,000 bricks needed for construction by using the material found on the site. New method and more durable manual press method is adopted in local building techniques.